Hello students, welcome to the GK class. Open chapter number 26, page number 34. Animals, amazing facts. There are some amazing facts about animals. Here, fill in the blanks to complete the sentences. First one, the horn of dash is made of compressed hair and situated towards the end of the nose. The right answer is rhinoceros D. The horn of rhinoceros is made of compressed hair and situated toward the end of the nose. Rhino horn are not made of bone but of keratin, the same material found in your hairs and fingernails. A rhino's horn is not attached to its skull. Okay, now second, most dash can live without eating for a year. The right answer is snakes. Most snakes can live without eating for a year. Generally, snakes can go a long time without being fed or eating. Nearly all snakes can last a few weeks. Similarly, most snakes can even last for a month and some last for a years. Now third is the dash dies after it has laid eggs. The right answer is female butterfly E. Write down the answer. The female butterfly dies after it has laid eggs. Female butterflies die after they have laid all of their eggs. Female butterflies are ready to mate immediately after emerging from the pupa. Now fourth, a dash can sleep even while standing. The right answer is horse. A horse can sleep even while standing. That's because horses actually doze while on their feet and lie down for REM sleep. To protect themselves, horses instead doze while standing. They are able to do this through the stay apparatus, a special system of tendons, the ligaments that enables a horse to lock a major joint in its leg. Now fifth, a dash has three hearts. Now the right answer is T. It's cuttlefish. F. A cuttlefish has three hearts. The blood is pumped by three separate hearts. Two hearts pump blood to the cuttlefish's pairs of gills, and the third pumps blood around the rest of the body. Now sixth, dash are the only creatures without backbones that are able to fly. The right answer is C. Insects. Write down here. Insects are the only creatures without backbone that are able to fly. What are insects without backbone called? An invertebrate is a cold-blooded animal with no backbone. They can live on land like insects, spiders, and worms, or in water. Now last 7 dash are upside down animals that hung from the branches of tropical trees. They eat and sleep in this position and really fall down. Here's a picture of sloths. The right answer is sloths G. Okay, here is a picture of sloths. Sloths are upside down animals. Okay, sloths are also known as one of the slowest moving animal in the world. Okay, now too slow to catch prey. Sloths are herbivorous. They primarily consume leaves and fruits. So today our 26th chapter have completed. So keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.